So my next question from you would be like, why translation? Why localization? What sort of big opportunity did you guys see there back then?
Okay, because you mentioned PPC, for example, yes, it was true. A few years ago, you could just, bang in PPC and then, you get your sales going very, very well, But right now, we are in such in such very high level times that the smallest thing in the listing, first of all, maybe we begin with this, will be seen from the Amazon artificial intelligence as a threat. And they don't want any listings which don't have a clear, because they can read as well the listings, the AIs. Obviously, they don't read it like us, but they can
Yeah.
read, and they see if the text is useless, if the images are useless, or if they're images at all, or if if there is like specifications in the listings, or if the A plus content is good, or if the description is good. So, and then we only go to our what we do, the localization part and the optimization. So let's start with the localization.
Yeah.
You have to talk with your customer. So you need to make sure that you talk to the customer, because if you don't talk to your customer, you won't sell, or you will sell less, or you will say nothing, sell nothing. So in order to talk to your customer, you have first to understand, can I sell my product in that specific market? Do research. There are reviews. There is tools which today, we have so many tools. We can just swim in data. We can
Exactly.
understand very well. Don't assume that because you like your product, you can sell your product, or don't assume that your product is selling in the US, you can sell your product in the US, in the European Union. So you need to break it down and not even localize the listing, localize it as well, content and correct copywriting in there. So the title needs to be nice. It should not look like a fully plugged title where only keywords are in. Everything should be nice, readable, and understandable. And obviously, whatever product you're selling, you need to understand your customer. You need to do research for your customer. Who's my customer? Is he 18 years old? Is he 60 years old? Is it man? Is it woman? Where they live usually? Are they living alone? Are they living with a family? What is their educational background? So many people don't think about that, but you really, right now, I can tell you, you need to go that deep. You need to understand your customer in order to sell it to your customer, or you learn it the hard way by burning PPC, and then you can funnel as well down, but you will never be able to funnel down, as I just described, and really
Exactly.
understand what is going on. And then only we can go to the optimization part, which is about the same. You need to understand the language, not only the language of your customer, you need to understand the country language of your customer. So
100%.
some keywords make no sense. They have been pushed high from any non-native speaker. That's the main mistake what non-native speaker do. They bet on keywords which they see flagging red. Oh yes, red. Okay, let's bet on it. But they have no clue what they're saying. So maybe a German customer or French customer don't even search for these type of keywords.